I got some new parts today. So the wrap job that I did on the R6 was kind of just the start of the end look that I'm going for on the bike. I just picked up carbon fiber pieces. That's what I just opened up, and these look so freaking good. I really wanted to add some more carbon fiber to the bike. Right now, the only carbon fiber there is what's on the exhaust, and that's real carbon fiber. It's not just like a carbon fiber look or vinyl or anything like that. So you guys can see that here. You got the carbon fiber tip, and then the body is carbon fiber as well. But I really wanted to add more carbon fiber to it, so instead of wrapping the front fender, which would have been an absolute pain because that thing has so many curves and indentions, and well, let me just show it to you. So here is the stock fender. As you guys can see, lots of openings. These holes on the side would have been an absolute pain. I had a few of those on the fairings that I already did. Just don't have the experience to do those well. But yeah, I wanted to break things up a little bit and not have the entire thing be completely white. So I decided to add some carbon fiber, and I wanted to do matte carbon to match the exhaust a little bit more and to not take away from the wrap job, which is a satin. Instead of doing gloss, we've got the matte carbon here, and this is legit, like full carbon. The entire thing is carbon fiber. So you can see the inside here, very nice. I actually just picked this up from eBay. There's a few different companies that are making these pieces. Just wanted to break the look up a little bit so it's not all white. Gonna get these pieces on. Just have to put the grommets and stuff on that front fairing, and then the rear one I need to take off and see how this thing looks. I'm excited. That looks so freaking nice. I love the contrast that it adds, and that matte was definitely the right choice. There's a front fender and then the rear tire hugger. But you might have noticed that I've got a new windscreen on here. I actually did that in a video that I filmed this past week, and I just ended up not putting that video out yet. It's gonna come out sometime in the next week or so. But yeah, that's on there now. It's a Puig, if that's how you say it, windscreen. Is their dark smoke version. I've never been a huge fan of like the double bubble windscreen and the ones that really make it go a lot higher. So we'll see. I'm not sure if this is gonna be the one that I leave on here all the time. And I like how the stock one really follows the lines of the bike up here. So what I did is I actually took my stock windscreen, painted the inside. That's how the windscreen on my R1 was. It was just the stock windscreen and the inside was painted black. So you still had it kind of glossy on the outside, how the stock windscreen is. Here's the windscreen from the R6. This is a stock one. All I did was just paint the inside with a matte black paint, and that way it's completely black from the outside, but it's still the stock windscreen, so it still follows the same lines, and you really don't have to pay much because you just have to buy the matte black paint, which is, you know, just like $5 for a can of spray paint from AutoZone. So I'm gonna get this on there, see how I like this, leave this on for a little while, and maybe I'll go back. Obviously you can't see through this, But honestly, with just regular riding, that's not really a big deal. Because I have such a big body, I'm not really getting under the windscreen anyways, even when I'm fully tucked, just because I end up being like in the windscreen if I do that. I'm gonna try that, we'll get that on real quick, and I wanna take this thing out for a ride today. I think that looks way better than the other one did. A lot more sleek, maintains the factory look of that. So I'm gonna go get changed real quick. I wanna take this thing out. I haven't ridden in forever because I took the whole thing apart and then I did the wrap. It's been at least a month since the last time I rode this bike, so let's take it out. Well, if you can guess, I forgot to hit the record button on my GoPro when I left my house. I'm over here at this spot here. I took a lot of photos of the R1 here. Turned out really, really nice. And typically I don't like taking photos of a different bike at the same spot that I've used before, but I like this one so much that we're gonna do it anyways. Let's get some shots here and some video as well. Cue the cinematic footage.